Hi friends, it's Alexandria and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a what's in my purse or what's in my bag / new bag like reveal. I got my first ever, let me show it to you, Kate spade. It is a beautiful, super, like this is red, like really red. I think it's kind of coming off true to color on the camera. I wanted a red purse for a while. I have brown, black, I have a lot of brown and black, but I wanted to like a pop of color. I have white as well, but yeah, wanted a pop of color. And I actually bought this at the outlets, went to Dooney and Bourke, actually bought a purse that wasn't red. It was like this really beautiful baby blue, and then went to Kate Spade after, found this one, and actually returned the other one. I didn't need two purses at the time, and I didn't want to keep the Dooney and Bourke because I didn't truly like love it, and I only want purses in my collection that I really love and like cannot wait to use. And when I saw this one, I knew I wanted this one and not the other one, even though Dooney and Bourke will always be my favorite purse brand. But my first ever Kate spade, I'm super excited. I think it retailed for $127, but at the outlet I got it for $84. So really cute. It's just open, it has two compartments. I'll show you more of the bag once I take everything out. I have no idea what's in this. I haven't cleaned it out since I got it, so I've used it every day. I've had it for a little bit over a month, and I've used it every single day since I got it, and I haven't cleaned it out. And I'm usually always clean out my purses. So I was like, okay, I've been wearing it for a month. It's time to clean it out. So might as well film it. So it's getting a little heavy. There's a lot of crap inside. So let's go ahead and empty it. Alrighty. So the first thing is I have my little Dooney and Bourke wallet here. With actually just one card inside of it. Yeah, like all my stuff is just everywhere. So my Dooney and Bourke wallet that you've seen. I have a pair of sunglasses. I like this case a lot. And they are my Jessica Simpson, like just summer sunglasses. They're like tortoise and brown shell. I really like Jessica Simpson's brand. I have a pack of gum, which actually is empty. I just finished it the other day. I have a little hand moist wipe. You can never not, like, you always need those. Hair scrunchie. I have a hand sanitizer. I'm not a huge fan of Bath and Body Works. I think I've said that before. Like, I just don't like their scents, like their candles. I don't like any of them. But I do like their hand sanitizers because they are really small. I always keep one in my purse, and then I keep one in my purse and then in my car. So this one is, actually got it yesterday. It's the Stress Relief Eucalyptus and Spearmint. This one smells really good. Oh yes, it smells super good. Kind of smells like cologne, just a little bit, not too much. Always gotta carry my Roto eye drops. These are the red ones. The blue ones are like the super intense, like super refreshing. It feels like ice is in your eyes. This one is still cooling. They do the best, in my opinion, from a lot of other eye drops. But I just get the red one. I have a Target receipt for a gift bag that I got, some tissue paper, and then some pajamas. I have these these tissues. It's just like a little book like this. You never know when you're gonna need a tissue. I have my little book. I always try to always carry like a little notebook with me. This one's cute. It says squad goals. So if I'm gonna go to the grocery store or something's happening and I need to write it down really quick, I just actually gonna need a new one. I'm like more than halfway through with this one. So I got that at the Target dollar spot. I have this cord because the other day I was hanging out with my sister all day and I didn't know if I was going to need to charge my my phone, so I have this cord. I have another receipt from, I went to a coffee shop with my friends the other day, a Colombian coffee shop, which was delicious. So I have my receipt from that. Oh, I went to go smell a few perfumes the other day, which I need to go back because I didn't buy one, but I want a perfume to wear on my wedding day. Like, I just want to find this really, like, beautiful, fresh perfume. So I smelled a few. I smelled Carolina Herrera Good Girl. a Michael Kors one, and then the Oscar de la Renta. The Oscar de la Renta was the best one in my opinion. I have this Trader Joe's head to toe balm. I am just a crazy person when it comes to having moisturized skin. So this is just like a balm. It melts and you can use it head to toe. All right, I have my wallet and car keys. This is just like a key holder. So all of my keys all of my keys, I don't know if you can read that. What was that? Oh, it was just my name. All of my keys hang on the inside, and then it has slots for your cards, a little bit of change, and then it has a cash slot. So really like this one. I do want to get like a nice one. I've been saying it for a long time, but I haven't. This one does look a little like manly. I don't mind. I mean, it does the job, but eventually I would like to upgrade. I do have my eye on a Louis Vuitton one, but for now, this one it does the job and it's good. Alrighty. Oh, see, this is why I went to go get another hand sanitizer, because I ran out of this one, and this one is Don't Quit Your Daydream. It's another little hand sanitizer, so I went from this one to my little new one. Alrighty. I have 2 more hair ties, which that one actually needs to be thrown away. Oh, we were eating Skinny Girl popcorn, so I have the thing. I have my favorite lip gloss. This is by Revlon, and it is, just in case you're curious and you're around my skin tone, it's the Supernatural color. Look, I have a clear lip gloss on now, but this just adds like a little bit of something, and it's just my favorite. You can put it over any nude lipstick. So this one's my favorite. Always have that. I have a gum wrapper. I have another little hand sanitizer. I have a little elastic. When I tie my shirts, I like to use hair elastics instead of like pulling the shirt and tying it. I have these 2 little things that I never took out of the purse, like little paper things. What else do I have in here? In this, so those were the 2 big pockets. Now the center, there is a center slot here. In the center slot, I have my little compact mirror. I'm finally carrying a mirror. Years and years and years, never carried a mirror. I don't know. I would always have to ask people, do you have a mirror? Do you have a mirror? So finally, I am carrying one. I have more of these little hand sanitizer wipes. Oh, I have, what did I get from Nordstrom? That was $45. Oh, no. I don't know why this is in here. Daniel bought some shorts from Nordstrom, and I have the little thing in here for, I don't know why. I have a pen. I have another receipt from Vincent's. And what was it? What did I get at Vincent's? Oh, a burger. I went to go eat with a friend after we got our nails done, and I got a burger. Oh, I have these Listerine little, like, they're little sheets, and you take one out and you put it on your tongue and it freshens your breath. One of those, and then another hair tie. And then, of course, like if I'm out and about, I'm going to have my phone on me. So I just need to give this purse like a good little wipe down on the inside. I do like that it's not fabric on the inside. It's just like a hard, like tougher. So if I spill anything or anything gets on it, you can just wipe it off really easily. This little pocket is really nice on the here. So there is no zipper. Like when my mom saw this purse, she's like, Alex, your purse is just open. But it's always close to me. I either have it on my arm like this, or I'm carrying it crossbody, which like pulls this in. So yes, you run the risk of someone trying to stick their hand in there, but I just wanted something, you know, that's super easy for me, just so I can see everything. I like that it was light. It's a light pink color on the inside. So again, it's not like this black hole, like pit where you can't see. So you can wear it crossbody, or you can take off the straps. The strap is adjustable, so I carry it on the shortest one because I am small. But I mean, if you're definitely like a tall girl, it will work for you, because there are, how many? I have it on the last one, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's 7 little holes to adjust. The little snap closure, the little thing, it says Kate Spade right there, and then it's just a little like ring that opens and closes like that, like a little latch. So on the purse, it attaches one here and one here. It's a beautiful like silver, super shiny silver, which I really like. It sparkles a lot in the sun. It does come with a little tassel that is removable in the front, and it just has the Kate Spade logo there. It says Kate Spade here in this beautiful gold, and it says New York under it. It's just like a striking red color. I have gotten a few compliments already on the purse. It has feet on the bottom, which is always a plus. I don't set my purse down on the floor, but if you were, it does have the feet, and it cinches in here to give it like nice structure. It is not going to flop over. It's not going to sag. It is a very structured bag. I do keep these little things. That's why I had them in there, these little guys, to kind of help keep like the shape. I'm very big on bags keeping their original shape. I try my hardest. So I just keep these two little things like in there to kind of keep it like propped up. So yeah, a very structured bag. I'm really, really enjoying it. It's my first, are we blurry? It's my first Kate Spade. I really, really like it. And I enjoy wearing it on my shoulder, carrying it. And I also really do enjoy wearing it crossbody. I have worn it crossbody the majority of the time. So yeah, I just thought it'd be fun to show you my new little purse. I do want to do a video on that guy back there. I got it to store all of my purses, and I can see all of them. I used to keep all of them in the closet in their dust bags, and I just felt like I wasn't cycling through my purses enough, but now that I can see them, I definitely am. So now that this one's cleaned out, I'm going to switch into another purse because I've been carrying this little one for a month, and it's time to carry something else and give her a little rest. So thank you so much for watching my video, and until next time, bye.